What's happening to your boy Tech TRX back in that video, and today we're looking at the S96 GT. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the S96 GT can do. Basically, this is the predecessor and the next level of the S96, which is one of the best seller phones by DOOGEE. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's the difference and what better features it has from the S96. Here we go. Boom, nice packaging by DOOGEE. The phone right here. Let's put that right there. Comes with a screen protector, wipes, limited warranty card, user manual, plug-in, little spudge tool, and a USB-C cord. It also comes with a lanyard, and that's it for the box. Let's take this out of the plastic. Boom, and that's the phone. Pretty hefty device as well. It's pretty rugged phone, so that it's really good for extreme conditions. Let's take out the screen protector here. And there it is. It has a power button right here. Volume rockers there. Boom. There's another button on this side as well. And the SIM or micro SD card and a SIM card tray up there. This is where you charge it, and the headphone jack as well. So looking at the setup, it also has face unlock. So let's try this out. There it is. It's just a flat face unlock because it's just one step. You just put your face and it just takes a picture, and that's it. It also has a fingerprint sensor. So let's try that out. It's on the side right here. Do a few steps like that. And there it is. Fingerprint added. Of course, it's powered by Google Android, right? So you can ask questions like, hey Google and stuff like that. And there it is. This is the home screen, and as you can see, pretty responsive for the most part. The S96 GT has a Sony 20 megapixel enhanced night vision camera, 4K Ultra HD recording and playback. It also has a Sony 32 megapixel front camera, a MediaTek Helio G95, a powerful chip great for gaming and also live streaming if you want to stream videos and use this for chatting with your friends online. It is also a 4G LTE with dual 4G SIM compatibility. The G95 has octa-core CPU. It has a quad-core GPU as well, with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5 compatibility. 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of memory inside, and it's also expandable with micro SD cards. It is also powered by Android 12. It is good for IP68 or IP69K. It is dust proof and waterproof up to 30 minutes, 1.5 meters. It has 6350 milliamp hour battery, good for 2 to 3 days, and it is fast charging capability up to 24 watts. It also has a 6.22-inch ultra smooth display, which is waterproof, and it's great for consuming media and playing games. So here it is. We have the camera modes right here. This is the photo mode, and it also has wide angle shot like so. It also has HDR automatic or just HDR there. There's also the AI mode, as you can see there. Some filters as well that you can use. Typical nowadays for cameras to have filters. And then obviously the flash right here. This is also good up to 4x right there for zoom in. There you go. Of course, you can do the front camera right there. And then there's the Ultra HD right here, where you could shoot as well. Some settings right here that you can add grid lines, self timer, You can add the benchmark watermark there if you want. You can mute the camera as well. There's the location info if you want to turn that on and off. Custom here with the function layouts you could change as well. There's the volume key feature as well. There's the video mode here, which again you can use to change the video quality here to VGA, HD, Full HD, and then 4K. Anti-flicker, of course you could turn on and off the microphone as well. Night vision mode right here. Great if there's no light around you. Change the picture size as well to 28 or 3. And then there's the portrait, of course, and more, which has the pro mode, GIF, night mode, panorama, slow motion, and time lapse, and intelligent scanning. Let's try the pro mode here. As you can see, you'll be able to change the white balance, ISO, whatever you want. EV and AE right here. Shutter speed, of course, right there. And then if you want manual or auto focus. So here's some shots that I've taken with the camera. Multiple shots here, different angles as well, wide angle and different camera modes. As you could see here, they have pro mode and also the normal mode right here, which is really good to see. They even have the portrait mode, as you can see here. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. Here's some night mode shots as well. This is with no light whatsoever around me. As you could see, it has pretty good lighting, especially for the shots. Even has the 4x here and it's still pretty clear. I turned off all the lights now and this is what it came out to be, which is still nice, still usable for the photos, especially with pitch dark. What's going on, everyone? This is a test of the S95 GT. Let me know what you think of the video and also the mic experience here. So I'm just holding my phone on my hand, moving it around like so. And for the most part, I think it's pretty good. The video quality, it's pretty dark here except for these, for the light that I have here, 100-watt light. So that's not bad at all. Let me know what you think of the video and also the mic experience. Here's another shot of the back camera now, using the just again one lighting, the 100-watt light right here, and just recording maybe a review video here that I usually take for this channel. Again, let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. We're also gonna test out the autofocus here with this camera on the back camera of the S96 GT. Let's see if it's any good. Here's a test of the video mode now on the night mode. This is without any light whatsoever now. As you can see, there's light in the back there using my backlighting for my YouTube studio, but normally this is the shot you would take without the night mode. Look at the difference. Awesome, right? During the night mode, the S96 GT has this infrared lighting on the back. As you can see here, it's not a flashlight, it's an infrared light. Let's do a speaker test now for the S96 GT. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Android phone. This is by DOOGEE S96 GT. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would recommend this for people who are looking for a rugged smartphone that you can get wherever with you, and a big screen as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like these. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.